Hello there. I have this skirt and it's fine. There's nothing terrible about it. I don't like it that much though. It's a fine piece of clothing. I like the buttons down the front. I like the colour. I just don't ever wear it, so I thought I'd turn it into something that I would wear. My initial idea was to have a fitted kind of boob tube with straps and darts in the front to kind of keep that original design. The issue was it was just a bit tight around the top, so I undid the top two buttons and shifted it upwards so it was more like a sweetheart kind of neckline. When I did this, it made a really nice V shape for the darts, so I pinned and sewed that in place and then I tried it on. I found it needed a few more darts and bits and bobs taken in to make it fit properly, so I just kept taking it off, trying it back on, and repeating that until I got it to where it fit. I tried then to make the straps, which is where it went a bit wrong. I trimmed the hem off the back of the skirt top, and I thought I'd left myself enough fabric to make straps from them. I didn't want to cut off the whole hem of the skirt because I sew little dogs onto all my clothing. However, this meant I was a bit stuck with fabric and I was working with scraps, if you will. I tried to singe the edges of the straps to redeem them a bit, but that didn't work. Fucking up. My mum then took me around a garden centre where I saw some fish who looked as angry as I felt. Angry looking fish? This eyeball. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow, damn. I then got back to sewing and used the albeit singed straps to make channels for boning. I was putting it in the side just where I thought was a bit wrinkled. I make my boning out of duct tape and zip ties that I just chopped the ends off. I traced, cut up and sewed in a bra just to give the top a bit more support. I tried it on and realised I did really want straps, so I used this fabric from a dress that I made a few weeks ago, and if you squint your eyes it's about the same colour. And with that you are done! Hallelujah! I think this turned out really well. The front pockets don't work anymore, unfortunately, because my boobs are there, but the back pockets still do, although you're leaving yourself quite open to pickpockets. But oh well. I was able to keep my little dog on the hem, which I'm very pleased about. Overall, yeah, made a nice top, so that's it.